What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Do you have a saggy headliner? Unfortunately, my Jetta does have a saggy headliner, and it's getting real bad. As you can see, this is starting to just come down. And before it gets any worse and it starts to peel around the edges and stuff, I want to try a little technique I found. I figured I'd share it with you guys so you guys can also try this if your headliner's bad. But I got these little pins from Amazon. These little fabric pins from Amazon. They're for couches and stuff like that. I'm going to see if they work on the headliner. If they do, obviously I'll be posting the video so you guys can see and fix your headliners yourself. But let's get in there. Let's start seeing if these work and hold the headliner up at all. I'm kind of excited to try this out. Alright, here we are inside the Jetta. And you can see the headliner is just coming down. It might be a little hard to see in the video. What I want to do is try and get these as pinpointed, like, properly as I can so they don't look super tacky, but this one looks like a good spot right here, so we'll stab it up in there. We'll just kind of thread it up into the headliner there. Kind of screws up in. Just screwed in there like a button. And there we go. The first one is installed. Looks pretty good, actually. This is going to be great. My main problem is I'm tall, man. These things sitting on my head, I don't want to sit on my head, and I also don't want to spend a whole ton of money just to fix it. So this is great. I am already happy with how this is looking. So let's get another one back here, a little ways back. Let's see. Try and follow this contour here. So you got to get it through the headliner first and then stab it up into the material under the headliner. Then you can start to thread it up in there. Wow. Wow. That's working really good, actually. Holy cow. I am not mad at that at all. Probably get one more in the back here. And I'll probably be done with this driver's side. This is working great. After I get all these in real quick, I'll then come back and I'll show you how it looks up close. Apologize about that, the battery died, but as you can see, these buttons worked fantastically. They're holding the headliner up great. I got to fix around the lights, but that's to be expected. I could possibly pull the light out, put a little bit of glue there, and then pop the light back in. It should hold the headliner up there. But I mean, everywhere else, it looks fantastic. It's not perfect, but, you know, it works. I was a little irritated with how the headliner was already starting to sag in this car, but it is what it is. If you're wondering, this is the button head. It's like a little corkscrew, screws into there, and it holds the headliner up perfect. I'll leave the link for these down in the description below. If this hack worked out for you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know. So I figured I'd just pull up the site real quick. These are the ones I bought off Amazon. You can get them in multiple different packs, and there's a bunch of different colors you can order. There's 8 different colors, so whatever color your headliner is, you know, you can work out which ones you need essentially. But they're designed for couches, but man, do they work great on headliners. So link will be down below. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys being here.